Now next problem is a comparatively easy problem. We have a crew of 43 people on a ship. Out of these 43 people, only 3 people can do steering. Out of these remaining 40, 8 wish to go on side A of the ship and 3 on side B of the ship. And each side of the ship can have 20 rowers. We need to find the number of ways for making this happen. So what we have is, there is a ship. There need to be 20 people on side A and 20 people on side B. There is a steering over here, which is done by one person, and we need to make the total number of selections. Now there are 3 people who can do steering, so we have to select one person out of these 3 to make the steering happen. So this is 3C1. Now 8 people wish to go on side A and 3 on side B. Therefore there is restriction of 8 people that they can go on only side A and 3 people that can go only on side B. And in these kind of questions in which we have restrictions, what we do is, there is a technique. We remove all those people who are creating restrictions, and we do the selections for the remaining people, and then we try to do the selection for the people who are doing restrictions on which restriction was done. So there are 8 and 3, that is 11 people out of the remaining 40 on which there are restrictions. So what we do is, we try to arrange the remaining 29 people, and then we'll care about these 11. Out of these 29 people, since 8 people wish to go on this side only, so let us send them on this side. Now there are 12 more people required on this side. So out of these 29, we make selections of 12 for side A, and since 3 people wish to go on side B, so let us send them on side B. Now there are 17 more people required over here. Out of these, since we made, out of 29, we made 12 selections to go on side A, the remaining 17 will automatically go on this side. So we need not write anything. This is 17C, 17 only, which is 1. Now there are 20 people on this side, 20 people on this side. These people need to be arranged, and these people also need to be arranged, and they will be arranged by 20 factorial into 20 factorial ways. Hence, by fundamental principle of counting, the total number of ways are 3C1 into 29C12. This is 1 into 20 factorial whole square. So in this problem, we learned one important thing, that in a problem, if there are restrictions on certain number of people, then we try to remove those people first and make the selections for the remaining people, and then we care for the people on which there were restrictions, and hence the final answer is 3C1, which is 3 into 29C12 into 20 factorial whole square.